So let's go ahead and learn how to run a Java program from our terminal. Okay, learn how to run this program over here from our terminal. Okay, and the way we do that is that we will first clear the screen. Okay, just Control L or clear to clear the screen. So once we do that, we want to go back to this file over here, learning Java. And as you see, we have created 3 files. We have 1, 2, and 3. And the way we go back to this learning Java, we will just do a CD. CD means going into something. Okay, so CD, then dot slash. That's the first file, which is this one over here. Then dot slash. Second file, which is com. Then dot slash. Then the third file, which is src. So once we click on enter, we will go back to learning Java. Okay, so the way we invoke JVM to run our program is simply by running the main class. Okay, running this main class, and every Java program, okay, every Java program should have this class right here. Okay, and inside this class we have the method, which is public static void main. Okay, and this is the main entry point to execute our program. So this is the main point where you end up executing the program. So let's go ahead and type cd, then src. Okay, so let's go inside the src folder, which is this one over here. Okay, then press enter. cd src, so press enter. Okay, and then we are inside this src. Okay, and our main aim is to be able to run this program over here in our terminal, and so far we are inside our src. So we have to go inside our package, then be able to access our main class. And for us to do that, okay, just type Java. Then we have this package over here, and I'm gonna talk about packages later on, but inside this package we have com.wizard. Okay, so I want you to type I want you to type com.wizard, exactly the way it is. Okay, then after that we have our public class, and inside the public class we have main. Okay, so inside this public class we have main. So what we will do is that we will add dot main. Okay, so let me go ahead and explain again. So we want to run this program of ours in our terminal. Okay, and for us to do that, we have to do a cd inside our src. Okay, and then you get into the src folder, then you just type Java. Okay, then get inside our package, which is com.wizard. Then after that, go inside public class, which is main. Then after that, when you press enter, you will find that we have successfully been able to run our application inside our terminal. So you see, this is my first Java app. Okay, so go ahead and join me on my next video.